Okay, as you can see, this puzzle considers itself to be very hard, but with this very simple trick, you can solve it in seconds. So what you need to know is that with a squiggly, when you have an outlier here, that is, this is a number that, even though it's in a bottom square, is actually in the middle 3 rows, that means it has a match right there. This outlier has its match right there, this outlier has its match right there, and this outlier has its match right there. If you put those in first, it becomes much easier to solve. Let's look at these 2's. Now those 2 areas are blocked, so there's that 2, and there's that 2. Here's this 2, and here's this 2. Let's look at one of the other outliers, see if we get some information. We know this has to be one of those. That has to be in that column. Not too much there. Let's check out the 9's. This 9 has to be somewhere there. We know that this 9 has to be right there, thereby making this 9 have to be somewhere there. And we know this 9 is somewhere in here and somewhere in there. All right, let's take a look at some of our other numbers real quick and see what we've got. 6's. Oh, the 6's are going to tell us a ton here. We placed them all that quick. The 5's, again, because so many numbers already got blocked off using our trick with the outliers, we have a lot of information to solve this puzzle. Now we know that that's a forced 2 9, so look, we can erase this potential 9. Now we've got several things that several numbers that are in just 2 spots, which is an easy way to solve a puzzle. Trying to get through these, there, can place that 3. Now we've got a forced 2 3 pairing there, so that's useful. And the 2's, we've already got those. Check out the 1's. That one has to be there, then this one has to be here. Here, here, these have to be the 1's. All right, back to the 9's, the 8's, only 1 8 left, which means that that 8 has to go there. This has to be here or here. We know this 8 has to be here. And that's it for this time around. This 7 now has to be in one of those 2. Those have to be there. This 7 has to be there or there. Oh, I didn't put my 1 in when it forced it out, so that helps too. Now that's a forced pair between 1 and 7 and 2 and 3, so that's got to be 1, 2, 3. This has got to be the 4's combined with the 9's. There's a 4, so there's that. We know that's got to be the 4's, which means this 4 has to be somewhere down here. That's now a forced pair between the 4's and the 9's, so that 1 has to be over there. All right, back up here we've got a 7 that's already defined for us. We've got our 9 is defined. Let's see what else. Go back step by step. Oh, this was a forced pair. We already placed the 9, so that now puts the 2 there. And, okay, back through them. 4. Oh, this 4 now has to be here, which makes those ones. That now makes those, and that, and that. And now we have a 2 by itself over there. We have a 9 by itself, which makes a 4 by itself. So all the 4's, not quite. There we go. And we got a 7. Now these 2 are in those rows, so that's got to be the 7. Now we've got the 3. And that's how you make a very hard puzzle pretty easy.